Good morning, students. Today we will take a chapter different scales of preparation of drugs, or we can say it as a scales of potentization. There are three scales of potentization: centesimal scale, decimal scale, and 50 millisimal scale. In the preparation of liquid drug potencies, we can use the three scales: decimal, centesimal, and 50 millisimal scale. Or we can say that these are the scales of succussion. But in case of solid drug substances, we are using only two scales, decimal and centesimal scale. But if you want to convert this solid into the liquid potency, then we have to triturate it first up to the 6th potency, and then it is converted into the liquid potency. Subsequently, we can turn it into the liquid potency. So first one is the centesimal scale. This scale was introduced by Dr. Hahnemann in the 5th edition of Organa in the 270 aphorism. This scale actually it is based upon the principle that it should contain 1 by 100 part of original drug substance, and each succeeding potency should contain 1 upon 100th part of the preceding potency. So the definition of the centesimal scale is that the centesimal scale is the principle that the first potency must contain 1 by 100 part of the original drug, and each succeeding potency 100th part of the preceding one. It is designated by the C, capital letter C, or it may be as CH, so that it will indicate the potency. For example, if you want to write first centesimal, then we will write it as 1C or 1CH, followed by 2C, 3C, 4C. It can also be denoted by simply affixing the numerical in the name of the drug without any letter. Then the method of preparation of the succussion. In that, first you have to take a clean file. Take one part of mother tincture of that given drug substance and add 99 parts of suitable vehicle. Here we can use dispensing alcohol, or we can use the water in the 50 millisimal scale. So as we are preparing centesimal scale, so we will use dispensing alcohol. So take one part of mother tincture and 99 parts of dispensing alcohol. Then hold that file in the right hand with the thumb on that cork and give the 10 downward strokes on the rubber pad. So this will give you first C potency. For the preparation of next potency, you have to take the one part of the preceding potency and add 99 parts of dispensing alcohol and give 10 downward strokes. Finally, you will get 2C potency. Then for the preparation of the next potency, again you have to take the first part of, or the one part of the preceding potency and the 99 parts of dispensing alcohol. In this way, you will prepare the different potencies in the centesimal scale. So this is about the succussion. Now about the trituration of this drug substance. Now trituration. For making the first potency in the centesimal scale, one part of drug substance, crude drug substance, and 99 parts of sugar of milk. As we are doing trituration, so here we will use a solid vehicle, and generally we are using a powder of sugar of milk. So weight that drug substance with the help of physical balance. Take it 1 gram or it may be the 2 gram. Accordingly, you have to increase the ratio of sugar of milk and triturate it for 1 hour, including all the 3 stages of trituration. These 3 stages are divided into the 20, 20, 20 minutes. This 20 minute is again divided into the 6, 3, 1 minute, that is a 10, Again, it is divided into the 10 minutes. In this way, the first 20 minutes will get completed. Then again, you have to add the second part of the drug substance. The second part of the sugar of milk, not the drug substance. Again, triturate it for the 20 minutes. And then again add the third part of the sugar of milk and triturate it for the next 20 minutes. In this way, when you triturate it for the 1 hour, you will get 1C potency in the trituration form. Similarly, when you want to form the second potency, that is the 2C potency, take the one part of weight of the first C potency and 99 parts of sugar of milk. Triturate it for the 1 hour in the same fashion as we have done in the 1C potency. The trituration for the third C, again you have to follow the same procedure. In this way, after completing 1 hour, you will get the third C potency or fourth C potency. But remember that always you have to take 1 gram of preceding potency and 99 grams of sugar of milk. In this way, you will get the liquid potency in the centesimal scale as well as the solid potency in the centesimal scale. The next scale is the decimal scale. Decimal scale of potentization is based on the principle that the first potency should contain 1/10th part of the original drug and each succeeding potency should contain 1/10th part of potency preceding one. As we have seen in the centesimal scale, it is 1/100. It is a decimal, it is 1/10. Centi means 100 and deci means 10. In this way, you have to remember it. This scale was introduced by Dr. Constantine Hering of Philadelphia, who introduced first this scale. It is designated by the capital letter X. Again the ratio of this is 1:9. Again you have to take the clean file, take the 1 gram or the 1 part of the drug substance and add 9 parts or the 9 gram of sugar. For the trituration you have to add sugar of milk, and for the succussion again you have to add alcohol. Give the 10 powerful downward strokes with your right hand and by using the leather pad. In this way you will get 1x potency. If you want to prepare 2x potency, again take 1 part of 1x potency, add 9 parts of alcohol for the succussion and give 10 downward strokes. In this way you will get 2x potency. For each succeeding potency, you have to take 1 part of preceding potency and 9 parts of dispensing alcohol. For the trituration of the 1x potency, the same ratio you have to follow. 1 part of by weight of crude drug substance that you want to triturate and add 9 parts of sugar of milk. Again triturate it for 1 hour. This 1 hour is divided into the 3 parts, 20, 20, 20 minutes. This 20 minutes is again divided into 2 parts, 10, 10, 10 minutes. And the 10 minutes is again divided into 3 parts, 6, 3 and 1 minute. 6 minutes is for rubbing, 3 minutes is for scraping and 1 minute is for the mixing. In this way, first 20 minutes will get completed. As the 20 minutes gets completed, you have to add the second part of sugar of milk that you have measured, that is the 3 gram. For the proper mixing or for the proper trituration, divide this sugar of milk, 9 gram of sugar of milk or 33 gram of sugar of milk in the centesimal scale into the 333 gram or 33 grams. So after the completion of 20 minutes, add the 3 grams of sugar of milk again and triturate it for the 1 hour. And in the last 20 minutes, again add the 3 grams of sugar of milk. So at the end of 1 hour, you will get 1x potency. Then if you want to prepare 2x potency, then Again, you have to take the 1 part of 1x potency, add 3 parts of sugar of milk, triturate it for 20 minutes. That is the rubbing, scraping and mixing. Then add the second part of sugar of milk. Again do the rubbing, scraping and mixing, and again add the third part of sugar of milk and triturate it for 20 minutes. So after the completion of 1 hour, you will get 2x potency. So in this way, you will get the solid potency up to 6x. After the 6x, you can convert this into the liquid potency. This is the question always comes in the Viva or in the practical examination. Why it has to be triturated up to 6x? Because these drug substances are insoluble in water or insoluble in alcohol up to the 6x potency, and hence we have to do the trituration for that particular drug substance up to the 6x potency. After that, after the 6x potency, you can convert it into the liquid potency. That means they can dissolve easily in the alcohol or in the water. When you convert it into the 8x potency without undergoing 7x potency, that is known as jumping potency. That part we will take it into the chapter potency. Now the third scale that we are using for the succussion is the 50 millisiemens scale. This 50 millisiemens scale is again introduced by Dr. Hahnemann, but this is given by or introduced by P. Shimdick. It is accepted by Dr. Hahnemann, but it was introduced into the world, or it is introduced into the world of homeopathy after the death of Hahnemann. He called it as a new method of dynamization. It is a simpler method. It is denoted by LM, or it is also known as Q potencies. The process by which 50 millisiemens potencies are prepared is totally different from the centesimal scale and the decimal scale. In detail, we will take the separate lecture of 50 millisiemens scale, but here I will give a short introduction of this 50 millisiemens scale. The ratio is 1 is to 50,000. As we have seen in the decimal scale, the ratio is 1 is to 9. Deci means 9. In the centesimal scale, the ratio is 1 is to 99. Centi means it's a 99. Similarly, the LM potency or the centesimal scale, you will get 1 is to 50,000. This is the ratio. So with each subsequent stage of dilution, it is being followed by 100 succussion. Previously, we have seen that in the centesimal scale or in the decimal scale, we are giving only the 10 downward strokes. But here we have to give 100 downward strokes. These previously, we have seen the centesimal scale or the decimal scale, it is denoted by letter capital C or letter capital X. Here we are denoting it LM, or the different countries denoting it by their own way. For example, in the India, this 50 millisiemens scale is denoted by or designated by 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, etc. But when you are going to the another country, such as the Bangladesh, then it is denoted by M by 1, M by 2, M by 3, etc. So to avoid this confusion, the certain countries had adopted the way that is LM by 1, LM by 2, so that you will get the, it is a 50 millisiemens scale. So better you can call it as LM by 1 or LM by 2, or in India, we can call it as 0 by 1 or 0 by 2. So 0 is indicate it has been prepared in the 50 millisiemens scale dilution scale, as the centesimal and the decimal scale are accompanied. The number on the remedy indicates how many stages of dilution and succession have occurred. Suppose it is 0 by 3, so that means it is multiplied by 3. So 1 by 50,000 into 1 by 50,000 into 1 by 50,000. So in this way, it is get dynamized into the 3 times. So the quality increases, but the quality of that drug substance increases, but the material thing decreases. So you can denote it as LM, or it can be denoted as 0/1. 50 millisiemens scale is a deep acting and a flexible potency. Unlike the other potencies, 50 millisiemens remedies should not be dispensed in the tablet, or it cannot be give it in the form of globules. It should always be dispensed in the form of liquid, but it is very difficult to carry that liquid, and hence we can use the 10 number globules. A very small poppy seeds globules are available for the dispensing of this 50 millisiemens scale potency. So generally the homeopathic practitioner, they are giving the 10 number globules to give the potency. So this potency is useful for the sensitive patient, or where the symptoms are not getting relief with the help of centesimal and the decimal scale. So these are the advantages of the 50 millisimal scale. This 50 millisiemens scale again can be used for the palliation and for the incurable cases. This is very effective in the suppression also. So all these advantages and the certain disadvantages we will take in the separate chapter, that is a 50 millisiemens scale. So these complete our chapter, that is the scales of potentization. Again we will revise it quickly. So there are the three scale: centesimal, decimal and 50 millisiemens scale. Centesimal, decimal, all these three, and the 50 millisiemens, all these three scale can be used for the liquid drug substances, but for the solid we are using only two scale. 50 millisiemens scale we can use after 6x potency. Centesimal scale was introduced by Dr. Hahnemann in the 5th edition of Organon in the aphorism number 270. The principle is the first potency must contain 1/100 part of the original drug, and each succeeding potency will contain 1/100 part of preceding one. Then it is designated by C, 1C, 2C, 3C. In this way we can denote it. Then the ratio is 1:99, as the centi means 99. So the ratio is 1:99. For the succussion, you have to take the 1 part of mother tincture and 99 parts of vehicle. It may be the dispensing alcohol, it may be the dilute alcohol. Then give the 10 downward strokes on the leather pan. So these 10 downward strokes should be of equal power, and you will get 1C potency. For the preparation of the 2C potency, again take a new fresh file, take the 1 part of 1C potency, 99 parts of suitable vehicle, it may be the dispensing, it may be the dilute alcohol. Hold that file in the right hand, keep your thumb on the cork, and give equal power of 10 downward strokes. In this way, you will get 2C potency. The next potency is, again you have to follow the same procedure by taking the ratio 1:99. Then to make a trituration, that is the 1C potency in the solid form, you have to take again the 1 gram or the 1 part by weight of crude drug substance, and add 33 parts of sugar of milk, triturate it for 20 minutes. Next, in the next 20 minutes, again add the 33 parts of sugar of milk, again triturate it for 20 minutes, and in the last 20 minutes again add 33 part of sugar of milk. In this way, after the completion of 1 hour, you will get 1x potency, 1C potency. For the preparation of 2C potency, take the 1 part of 1C and follow the same procedure. So this is about the centesimal scale in the succussion as well as in trituration. In the decimal scale, again, the ratio is 1:9. It is introduced by Dr. Constantine Hering. It is designated by letter X. For the succussion, we are following the same procedure that is in the centesimal scale. Only the ratio is different. Here the ratio is 1:9. 1 part of mother tincture, 9 parts of alcohol. Give the 10 downward strokes. You will get 1x potency. Similarly, we can form the 2x potency, 3x potency by keeping the same ratio 1:9. Then in the trituration again, we are following the same ratio 1:9. Divide that sugar of milk into the 333 gram. Take the one part of crude drug substance and triturate it for the 1 hour. The most important thing is that we have to take the drug substance only one time. We are adding the sugar of milk 3 times in the centesimal as well as in the decimal, but we are adding the drug substance only one time. As our principle what says that, what is our principle for the centesimal or the decimal scale? The first potency should contain 1/10th part or the 1/100th part of original drug. So 1/100, that means one part of drug substance and the 99 part of your vehicle. So in this way you will get the 1x potency, then 2x potency. So this is all in the solid form. To convert it into the liquid, we have to triturate up to the 6x potency, and then it is converted into the liquid potency. So this 6x will directly converted into the 8x and you will get jumping potency. The third scale, which is useful in the succussion, not in the trituration, that is the 50 millisiemel scale. It was introduced by P. Schmidt. Dr. Hahnemann has given its name in a new method of dynamization. It is denoted by Lm potency. It may be denoted as 0/1, 0/2 or Lm/1, Lm/2. The ratio is 1:50,000. The difference is that here we have to give the 100 downward strokes, and each time you will get the dilution by the ratio 1:50,000. So it can be given to the sensitive patient, it can be given for the palliation, it can be given for the suppression in the incurable diseases. Generally, we are giving this 50 millisiemel scale in the form of liquid, but it is very difficult to carry that liquid for the patient. Nowadays, homeopathic practitioner, they are giving the 10 number globules to the patient so that they can take it easily or they can dissolve it in the water. Again, we will take the 50 millisiemel scale separately. So this is about the different scales of potentization. If you have any query in this, we will do again in the, we have done actually the centesimal and the decimal scale in our lab. Only 50 millisiemel scale is remain. So go through your notes, go through your books, and if you have any query, you can ask to me at any time. Thank you, students. Be at home, stay safe, and do your work daily. Thank you.